Hello students, let us continue exercise 10a profit and loss. Now we discuss question number 11. By selling 45 lemons, a vendor lost a sum equal to the selling price of 3 lemons. This means loss is equal to SP of 3 lemons. Find his loss percent. Now we write given loss equal to selling price of 3 lemons. This is your given. But we know that very well. SP is equal to CP minus loss. This is the formula of SP when loss is occur. So we write this formula. SP of 45 lemons is equal to CP of 45 lemons minus loss. Minus loss means SP of 3 lemons. Now transpose of SP of 3 lemons to the right hand side, change with its sign, that is plus SP of 3 lemons. 45 plus 3, 48. So we write SP of 48 lemons is equal to CP of 45 lemons. Let these costs are equal to each other. So we write rupees 1. Say, let us assume that SP of 48 lemons equal to rupees 1 and CP of 45 lemons equal to rupees 1. Now we write SP of 1 lemon. Less mean divide. So we write 1 upon 48 rupees. SP of 1 lemon. CP of 1 lemon. CP of 1 lemon. Can you write rupees 1 upon 45, less amount, so divide 1 by 45. CP of 1 lemon, rupees 1 upon 45. CP, but given loss is equal to SP of 3 lemons. Here SP of 1 lemon equal to rupees 1 upon 48. So SP of 3 lemons, 3 multiply 1 upon 48. 3 1 ja 3, 3 16 ja 48. We get rupees 1 upon 16. We get rupees 1 upon 16. Loss percent equal to loss multiply 100 upon CP of 45 lemons. Because this loss occur on whole transaction. So we write CP of 45 lemons and CP of 45 lemons is equal to rupees 1. So we write 1 upon 16 multiply 100 upon CP of 45 lemons is rupees 1. That is 1. Now we calculate 4 4 ja 16, 4 2 ja 8, 4 5 ja 20, 25 upon 4%. That is 6, 1 upon 4%. This is your loss percent. Now we discuss question number 12. Orange are bought at 6 for 20 rupees and sold at 4 for 18 rupees. Find the gain or loss percent. Now we write given CP of 6 orange equal to rupees 20 and SP of 4 orange equal to rupees 18. This is your given statement. Now we write CP of 1 orange equal to 20 upon 6. We write 20 upon 6. CP of 1 orange is less mean divide. So we write 20 upon 6. 2 10 ja 20, 2 3 ja 6, rupees 10 upon 3. Similarly, SP of 1 orange is equal to less mean divide 18 upon 4. So we write 18 upon 4. SP of 4 orange equal to rupees 18. SP of 1 orange equal to 18 divided by 4. Now we write 2 9 ja 18, 2 2 ja 4. That is rupees 9 upon 2. Since SP greater than CP. Now 10 upon 3 and 9 upon 2. Take cross multiply on both sides. 10 2 ja 20, 3 9 ja 27. This value is greater. This is your SP. So SP greater than CP. We write SP greater than CP by the cross multiplication method. So we get profit. profit is equal to SP of 1 orange minus CP of 1 orange. SP of 1 orange minus CP of 1 orange. SP of 1 orange 9 upon 2. So we write 9 upon 2. CP of 1 orange 10 upon 3. So we write 10 upon 3. Take 6 as LCM. 2 3 ja 6, 3 9 ja 27 minus 3 2 ja 6, 2 2 10 ja 20. 27 minus 20, that is 7 upon 6. Rupees 7 upon 6. Profit percent. Profit multiply 100 upon CP of 1 orange. CP of 1 orange is 10 upon 3. So we write 10 upon 3. Profit 7 upon 6 multiply 100 upon CP of 1 orange 10 upon 3. This profit on only 1 orange. So we use CP of 1 orange. Now we write 7 upon 6 multiply 100. Reciprocal of 10 upon 3 is 3 upon 10. Now calculate 0 0 cancel out. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10. 7 5 ja 35%. 35%. Hence total loss is total profit is 35%. This is your required answer. Now we discuss question number 13. A vendor purchased bananas at rupees 40 per dozen and sold at 10 for rupees 36. Find his gain or loss percent. Now we write given rate of CP rupees 40 per dozen and rate of SP rupees 36 per 10 banana. Now CP of 12 bananas equal to rupees 40. CP of 10 banana equal to rupees 36. This statement can be write in the form of CP of 12 bananas. 1 dozen means 12 bananas equal to rupees 40. SP of 10 banana equal to rupees 36. Now CP of 1 banana will be less. So we write rupees 40 upon 12. 40 upon 12. 4 10 ja 40, 4 3 ja 12. Rupees 10 upon 3. SP of 1 banana equal to SP of 10 banana rupees 36. SP of 1 banana 36 upon 10. 2 18 ja 36, 2 5 ja 10. Rupees 18 upon 5. Now 10 upon 3, comma 18 upon 5, take cross multiply, 10 5 is 50, 18 3 is 54. 50 less than 54. This value is greater, this means 18 upon 5 is greater, this means SP of 1 banana is greater, CP of 1 banana is less. Since SP greater than CP, so we get profit. Profit equal to SP of 1 banana minus CP of 1 banana. SP of 1 banana rupees 18. Rupees 18 upon 5. CP of 1 banana rupees 10 upon 3. Take 15 as LCM. 5 3 is 15. 3 18 is 54. 18 3 is 54. 3 5 is 10. Sorry. 3 5 is 15. 5 5 10 is 50. 54 minus 50. 4 upon 5. Profit is rupees 4 upon 5. Now profit percent equal to profit multiply 100 upon CP of 1 banana. This profit occur only 1 banana. So we write CP of 1 banana. Profit 4 upon 15 multiply 100 upon CP of 1 banana. CP of 1 banana is 10 upon 3. So we write 10 upon 3. Now 4 upon 15 multiply 100 multiply reciprocal of 10 upon 3 is 3 upon 10. Now calculate 0 0 cancel out. 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15, 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 4 2 ja 8%, 4 2 ja 8%. Hence vendor get 8% profit on whole transaction. Now do exercise 10A in your fair notebook. Thank you.